When it comes to working with your car, getting your hands dirty is pretty much always expected. Fluids, oil, and grease are aplenty under the hood, and it's unlikely you'll make it through your auto service work without a smudge or two. All in all, auto service is a messy job. Auto service experts are well aware of the messiness that comes with servicing your ride, but it's also important to keep the interior of your car clean to keep you comfy during your commute. In this new episode of Becoming an Auto Service Expert from Toyota of Clermont, we're showing you how to best care for your vehicle's interior. Changing oil, rotating tires, and checking brakes requires a lot of time and patience, and the same applies to keeping your vehicle's interior clean. If you're in need of a good cleaning inside your ride, start here. Gather up the right cleaning products. Depending on the types of materials used in your vehicle's interior, you'll need specific cleaners to get the job done. Also, make sure to have cleaning cloths, paper towels, and dusters on hand. Use the right product on the right upholstery. Softex, leather, and cloth all require different types of cleaning products to make sure you get the best results. Leather seats need to be conditioned to prevent drying and cracking. Cloth typically needs to just be vacuumed and spot treated for stains, while something like Softex can be wiped down with common interior cleaner. Start from top to bottom. When cleaning your car's interior, it helps to start from a high point and work your way down. Start by cleaning the dashboard and work down until you make it to the seats and then the carpets. Use vehicle-friendly glass cleaner. If you have tinted windows in your car, make sure to find the right type of glass cleaner that's vehicle glass friendly. This will prevent damage to your tint. Vacuum last. A good rule of thumb is to save vacuuming for last. This way, dust and debris are already on the floor and you'll be able to clean it up easily. Make sure to take your floor mats out and shake them off before vacuuming. Use crevice attachments to get into the more narrow areas and the brush for your seats. Becoming an auto service expert goes beyond just oil changes and tire rotations. Use these tips to get your car's interior clean and ready before your next commute. Thanks for joining us for our latest episode. Need help cleaning your ride? Visit Toyota of Clermont today at 16851 State Road 50.